So the most common reasons that I see claims get denied are things like wear and tear, improper maintenance, or improper construction, faulty building materials. Those are the most common reasons that insurance companies give that claims are denied. Those are very frequently erroneous reasons to deny a claim. But a lot of times insurance companies will say that a claim had wear and tear on the roof, for example, when it's very clear that it's storm damage. They also like to say a lot of times that improper installation or faulty building materials were used in the original construction, and that's why it failed. And so if you have a claim that's been denied for one of those reasons, it's a good idea to have a public adjuster come out and reevaluate to see if that was a legitimate reason to deny the claim. Chances are it wasn't, at least in my experience.